Dream Destinations, Cinematic Relaxation Series. In a world that never stops moving, sometimes the greatest adventure is stillness. For the next hour, let's step away from the rush and wander through Earth's quietest wonders. Imagine this as a love letter to the planet, a journey where time dissolves, and all that exists is the whisper of wind through palms, the crackle of ice underfoot, the sigh of deserts at dusk. Whether you're here to unwind, dream, or simply breathe, let these moments wrap around you like a warm horizon. Press pause on the world, and let's begin. Tropical Bliss, Bali, Indonesia. Our journey begins in Bali, where the air hums with the scent of frangipani and salt. Watch as dawn spills gold over Uluwatu's cliffs, the ocean below a mosaic of blues. Here, the tide carves poetry into the sand, each wave a verse of letting go. Pause for 10 seconds of waves and distant gamelan music. Now, follow the sun inland, where emerald rice terraces rise like stairways to the clouds. Farmers move in rhythm with centuries-old traditions, their hands shaping the land as gently as the wind shapes the sea. Listen, the rustle of stalks, the murmur of irrigation streams, a chorus of frogs hidden in the green. Transition to a waterfall with 5 seconds of rushing water sounds. And here, hidden in the jungle's heart, water falls like liquid light. Stand under its cascade, let the mist kiss your skin, and for a moment, feel weightless, untethered from everything but the Earth's pulse. End with a sunset temple ceremony, slow motion offering baskets. As day fades, watch flames flicker in a temple courtyard. Offerings of petals and rice float on pools, carrying prayers into the twilight. Bali doesn't just welcome you, it reminds you how to breathe. Arctic Serenity. Iceland now. We travel to Iceland, a land where fire and ice share the same sky. Feel the crunch of ancient glaciers underfoot, their blue veins glowing like trapped lightning. These frozen giants have witnessed millennia, yet they melt and reform in a dance as old as time. Pause for 8 seconds of creaking ice and wind. Nearby, the Earth herself breathes. Geysers roar to life, plumes of steam dissolving into the Arctic chill. On Reynisfjara's black sands, waves thunder against basalt columns, their geometric perfection a testament to nature's artistry. Transition to a silent fjord at dusk. As night falls, the sky ignites. Ribbons of jade and violet twist and sway. The aurora borealis, Earth's lullaby to the cosmos. In a tiny wooden cabin, a candle flickers. Outside, the world feels infinite. And yet, in this moment, it's yours alone. Alpine dreams, Swiss Alps. And the Swiss Alps, the air is so crisp, it feels like a sip of wintergreen. Golden eagles circle peaks that pierce the heavens, their shadows gliding over valleys where time moves differently. Listen, the melody of cowbells drifts from emerald slopes, a lullaby for grazing herds. Pause for cowbells and breeze. Wander through meadows where wildflowers blush in shades only spring knows. Buttercup yellows, gentian blues, edelweiss whites. Each petal holds the sun's kiss, a fleeting masterpiece. Transition to a mountain lake at dawn. At dawn, the world holds its breath. A lake lies still as glass, mirroring the mountains until reality and reflection become one. Dip your hand into the water and watch the ripples rewrite the sky. Here, you're not just a traveler. You're part of the landscape. Zen Gardens, Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is a haiku, a city where every stone, every leaf, is placed with intention. Step into the Arashiyama bamboo grove, where sunlight filters through towering stalks. painting the path in stripes of gold and shadow. The air thrums with a low, woody hum, as if the bamboo itself is whispering secrets. Pause for 10 seconds of rustling bamboo. In Ryoanji's Zen garden, 15 stones rest on a sea of raked gravel. Sit a while. Notice how your eyes trace the patterns, seeking meaning. But sometimes, peace isn't in the answer. It's in the question. Transition to a tea ceremony with soft ceramic clinks. Watch as a master prepares matcha, her movements a ballet of precision and grace. The tea bowl warms your palms, bitter and earthy, a reminder that beauty often wears simplicity. End with autumn leaves falling in a temple courtyard. When autumn comes, Kyoto becomes a farewell letter written in maple reds and ginkgo golds. Leaves spiral downward, each a silent thank you for the season past. Desert solitude, Sahara, Morocco. In the Amazon, life thrives in layers. High in the canopy, sunlight filters through a million leaves, painting the forest floor in dappled gold. Howler monkeys roar their dawn chorus, while parrots streak through the green like living rainbows. Pause for 15 seconds of rain and bird calls. A storm rolls in, and the jungle drinks deeply. Droplets slide down bromeliads, collect in pools where translucent frogs cling to leaves. When the clouds part, steam rises from the earth, wrapping the trees in ghostly veils. Transition to a canoe drifting down a river at dawn. Glide down a mirrored river, where the water holds the jungle's twin. Pink dolphins surface, their breath a soft sigh. Here, you don't just witness the wild, you become part of its heartbeat. Jungle calm, Amazon rainforest. In the Amazon, life thrives in layers. High in the canopy, sunlight filters through a million leaves, painting the forest floor in dappled gold. Howler monkeys roar their dawn chorus, while parrots streak through the green like living rainbows. Pause for 15 seconds of rain and bird calls. A storm rolls in, and the jungle drinks deeply. Droplets slide down bromeliads, collect in pools where translucent frogs cling to leaves. When the clouds part, steam rises from the earth, wrapping the trees in ghostly veils. Transition to a canoe drifting down a river at dawn. Glide down a mirrored river where the water holds the jungle's twin. Pink dolphins surface, their breath a soft sigh. Here, you don't just witness the wild, you become part of its heartbeat. And so, our journey closes. But the world's wonders remain. Wherever you are, carry these places with you. Their stillness, their storms, their unspoken truths. Let them be your anchor when the noise grows loud. Share this sanctuary, return to it often, and remember, the Earth's greatest gift is not just her beauty, but her quiet. Thank you for wandering with me. Until next time, breathe deep and let the world dream through you. If this journey inspired you to explore the world, check the description below. I've partnered with Trip.com to help you plan your own escape, whether it's a Bali sunrise or an Icelandic adventure. Every booking you make through my link supports this channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you for letting me guide your wanderlust. And maybe, one day, I'll guide your travels too.